ready to dive into the massive universe of Discord communities and connect with millions. Let's get your account set up on your phone in just a few minutes. First things first, head over to your phone's App Store. That's the Apple App Store if you're on an iPhone, or the Google Play Store if you're on an Android device. Search for Discord and tap to download and install the app. It's completely free. Once the app is installed, open it up. You'll be greeted with a couple of options. Since we're making a new account, tap on the Register button. Now, you'll see a registration form. Start by entering your email address. Make sure it's one you have access to, as you might need it for verification. Next, create a unique username. This is how other users will see you on Discord. Then, set a strong password to keep your account secure. Finally, enter your date of birth. Discord has age restrictions, so ensure this is accurate. Once all those fields are filled in, tap the Create Account button at the bottom. Discord might ask you to verify that you're not a robot. This could be a simple captcha, or it might send a verification link to your email. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this step. If you get an email, click the verification link inside. And just like that, you've successfully created your Discord account on your phone. You're now ready to explore servers, add friends, and start chatting in voice and text channels within your new digital home away from home. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more awesome Discord tips and tricks. Happy connecting!